Hello everyone, myself Mahesh, currently pursuing BEC at SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about what is a sensor and different types of sensors. First of all, a sensor is an input device which provides an output signal with respect to specific physical quantity. The term input device, the definition of a sensor means that it is the part of a bigger system which provides to a main control system like a processor to a microcontroller. There are some different types of sensors which are those resistance varies according to the intensity of the light which is subjected to the when light is fallen on LDR which is more resistant because very less and the light is less. Well, the resistance of the LDR becomes very high, its continuity along the voltage divider and check the voltage drop across LDR. There are some another unique definition of sensor follows. The device controls the signal from one energy to an electric domain.
Classification of sensors. In the first classification of sensors, they are divided into active and passive. Active sensors are those who requires the external extension signal or a power signal. Passive sensors, on the way to other hand, do not require any external power signal and directly generated output response. The final classification of the sensor are analog and digital sensors. The signal with respect and quantity being measured. Digital sensor is a construct to analog sensors work with a discrete or digital data. The data in digital sensor which is used for convention and transmission is digital in nature. Different types of sensors. These sensors are used to measure one of the physical properties like temperature, resistance, capacitance, conductance, heat transfer, etc. They are temperature sensor, proximity sensor, acceleration sensor, IR sensor, touch sensor, smoke sensor, color sensor, humidity sensor, touch sensor, ultrasonic sensor, etc.
Hello everybody, myself Azim and I'm going to continue the case study topic, and my topic is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor, the most widely used ultrasonic sensor for mini projects as well as some major projects is the HCSR04. It has what is an ultrasonic sensor? So basically it's a non-contact type device that it can be used to measure distance as well as velocity of an object. How does it work? So ultrasonic sensor works based on the properties of the sound waves with frequency which are greater than the human audible range, and there are two kinds of ultrasonic sensor. One is called as the active ultrasonic sensor and the other type is known as the passive ultrasonic sensor. Why it is called as the active ultrasonic sensor is because it generates the high frequency sound wave which can be received back with the ultrasonic sensor for evaluating the echo. So but in passive ultrasonic sensors, these sensors are just used for detecting ultrasonic noise which is present under specific conditions. So that's all about the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor and the other types of ultrasonic sensors. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Proskam from second AEC department. Today I am going to talk about humidity sensor. A humidity sensor senses, measure and reports both moisture and air temperature. The ratio of moisture in the air to the highest amount of moisture at the particular air temperature is called relative humidity. Relative humidity becomes an important factor about when looking for comfort.
LDR, light dependent resistor. A light dependent resistor or a photoresistor or photocell is light controlled variable resistor. Its resistance changes with light intensity that falls on it. The resistance of a photoresistor decreases with increasing incident light intensity. In other words, it exhibits photoconductivity. The resistance range and sensitivity of a photoresistor can substantially differ among dissimilar devices. They are made up of semiconductor materials having high resistance. Photocells are LDRs, non-linear devices. Their sensitivity varies with the wavelength of light incident on them. Some photocells might not all respond to certain range of wavelength.